my left and right are the fermentation tanks जहाँ पे fermentation हो रहा है. These are stainless steel tanks, open. और open का logic ये है कि जो wild yeast है वो भी इसको थोड़ा add करे. It adds little flavor to it. And I'll show you. There are some tanks which are fresh, being loaded. Like this one is just being loaded, and this one has been operating for a day. So this is yesterday, and then this is also yesterday. I think tank that have been operating for a day. And I'll show you a tank which is this one. Which the fermentation is done, it's finished. So it's ready to be taken out and to be distilled. As you see, this one is getting loaded right now. So this is going to start fermentation very soon. The agave juice is being loaded in this one. And this one has been fermenting for a day. As you can see, this activity is from the live yeast. This yeast is eating the sugar and converting into alcohol. See the activity here? This also is active for a day or more. So this one is finished. It has very less sugar left. It's mostly alcohol. It's about 4 to 5% alcohol, and very less sugar left. The yeast has died, so there's no activity. It is now ready to be taken out for distillation. And now on to the next step. So after the fermentation is done, now it comes to the distillation towers. Right behind me are HVC number 1, number 2, and number 3 are 3 first distillation towers, and that is the second distillation tower. So हो क्या रहा है, वहाँ से आ रहा है 4% ABV है. So बहुत सारा कलर है, बहुत सारा उसमें फाइबर है, बहुत सारी impurities हैं. These need to be filtered down. बाहर से स्टेनलेस स्टील दिखता है, पर अंदर से कॉपर है. And it heats up. It has those coiling. It has the heating coils. So the vapor goes up. Of course, alcohol evaporates faster than impurities and water. So alcohol will go up, rise up faster, and then get condensed. That's the first distillate that we get. We get about 22% ABV, and then you put that into the second distillation column, where it will again be purified more, and you get about 55% ABV, and that gets bottled. So 4% वहाँ से आया, यहाँ बना 22%, फिर बना 55%. एंड यहाँ से फिर वो बॉटलिंग के रेडी है या वो एजिंग के रेडी है. क्योंकि अगर वो ब्लांको है तो उसको बॉटल कर दो, बट या वो अगर रेपसाडो है या अनेहो है तो उसको एज करना पड़ेगा.